Hey guys, I'm back today to talk about simplifying expressions, most importantly combining like terms. This is a 6th grade topic. You get more into it in 7th grade with negatives and other things like that. So I'm just going to go over the basics. So when you are combining like terms, what that means is if I gave you a bag of Skittles and I poured it out on your table and I said combine the Skittles that look alike. That's pretty much all you're doing. You would separate them based off of the color, the purple, the red, the green, the yellow, whatever other colors Skittles are. You're gonna do the same thing, but with algebraic terms. So for example, let me start with 3x plus 5y minus 3 plus x plus 5. You can pause your screen and go ahead and write that down if you'd like to. So let's get to it. I always start with my variables. So number 1, look for and combine. Look for and combine variables. Then constants. Sorry if I wrote that too small. It says look for and combine variables and then your constants. So I have an x here. Do I have another x in my expression? Yes, it's over here. It's a plus x. A lot of teachers tell you to square them, diamond them, circle them. So I have 3x plus x. Now, how many x's is that? Is there a number in front of it? It's an invisible 1, but no, there's not, so that just means there's 1. So I have 3x plus 1 is 4x. Next up, I'm looking for y. Do I have another variable y? No. So I just keep that plus 5y. And then right here, I have a negative 3 plus 5. I guess I should make that a square. Negative 3 plus 5. Now, this is more of a 7th grade thing with the negatives. Some 6th grade classes do the negatives as well. Most of the time I save negatives, positives for like middle end of year situation. So I have a negative 3 and a plus 5. So if I had negative $3 in my bank account, right? And I put a $5 bill in there, how much money do I have in my bank account now? I have $2 plus 2. So that's pretty much simplifying, which means make it simple, make it smaller, simplifying the expression by combining like terms. Now, the next thing that you guys are going to see a lot is you're going to see these types of problems. Okay, do you see that number? There's no sign between that number and the parentheses, and it's like an expression in there. That is called the distributive property. This is the distributive property. Most of the time, there's a variable involved. If there isn't, you would just obviously do PEMDAS and add the numbers inside, but most of the time there's a variable. So what do you do when you have a situation like this? Well, you distribute. Distributing is like, taking this 5 and you're going to distribute it. You're going to give some to this x. You're going to give it the 5 to this x, and then you're going to come back out, take this 5, and give it to that 4. Everything only on the inside of the parentheses. This 5 does not go to this 3. It cannot pass this parentheses right here. It cannot go there. It cannot. Only if it's inside the parentheses. So I'm going to first do the distribute. So I'm going to distribute and then I'm going to combine like terms. All right, so here we go. I'm going to distribute the 5. I draw my arrows. Make sure that you guys draw your arrows. It's going to really help you whenever you get up into more higher level algebra. 5 times x is 5x. Plus sign. 5 times 4 is 20. And then this just stays. Bring it down. Minus 3. Okay, now I'm going to combine like terms. I already distributed. Now I'm going to combine like terms. So I have an x here. Do I have any other x's? No. I have a constant here, and I have a constant here. So 20 minus 3 is, hello, go. 17. So 5x plus 17 would be your answer. We're going to do one more because, you know, I like to keep these videos short and sweet because I know you guys don't like to, you know, I'm talking about math. Who wants to talk about math for 10 minutes? All right, last one. This one's more of a challenging one. I don't really see this in 6th grade a lot. Here we go. So we see 2 distributive properties. Handle that. We gonna handle that. So I have this right here and this right here. This 3 will not go over here. Look, I said before, you cannot pass this parentheses. So even if I try to, I'm gonna get blocked off. This 2 goes to these things inside parentheses. So here we go. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 5 is 15 plus sign. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times a negative x. You want to bring that sign down. 2 times x is 2x. There's a minus sign in front of it, a negative, okay? And then we combine like terms. So I have a 3. I have an x here. Do I see another x? Yes, it's a minus 2x. What is 3 minus 2? 1. You don't have to put the 1 in front of it. It's automatically there because when I plug in for x, if I were to multiply it by a 1, it would equal the same number. So it doesn't have to be there. All right, and then I have 15 plus 6. Nice. And that's it. I hope this is helpful. This was simplifying expressions, also simplifying expressions with the distributive property. Good luck. Bye.